Are you tired of struggling with unruly hair? Do you wish you could have salon-worthy locks every day? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll be sharing expert hair care tips and lessons to help you master your mane. Lesson 1. Hair washing. When it comes to washing your hair, less is more. Overwashing can strip your hair of natural oils, leaving it dry and prone to breakage. Aim to wash your hair every 2 to 3 days to maintain its natural balance. Lesson 2. Proper conditioning. Conditioning your hair is essential for keeping it soft and manageable. Focus on applying conditioner from mid-lengths to ends, avoiding the roots. This will prevent your hair from becoming greasy and weighed down. Lesson 3. Heat styling protection. Before using any hot tools, be sure to protect your hair with a heat protectant spray. This will shield your hair from the damaging effects of heat, reducing frizz and breakage. Lesson 4. Embrace natural hairstyles. Give your hair a break from heat styling and opt for natural hairstyles instead. Braids, buns, and ponytails can be just as stylish and will help protect your hair from unnecessary damage. Lesson 5. Regular trims. Don't forget to schedule regular trims. Getting rid of those split ends will not only improve the overall health of your hair, but it will also help promote growth and prevent further damage. Remember, mastering your mane takes time and patience. But with these expert hair care tips and lessons, you'll be well on your way to achieving the gorgeous hair of your dreams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tricks.